How to add a clickable link to TikTok bio. Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can add a clickable link, that is a button or a link that can be clicked to open up into a different window in your TikTok bio. So let's get into the video. So here I have opened tiktok.com for me on the web browser. You can open this, you can do the same thing with a TikTok app. The procedure is going to be very much same, so you don't have to worry and just follow all of these steps. So what you're going to do is you have to open your TikTok. After opening your TikTok, you need to go onto your profile, which is here for me, and click on view profile. It will be on the center top or on the right top for you when you're using the app. So here you can see that you have an option of editing the profile. Click on that and you have your username, your name, and your bio. So bio here is plain. You can basically go on and add any link into your bio, but it won't be clickable. So the option of adding a clickable link into bio is not appear here, otherwise it is just right here. So what you're going to do is you need to go, if you're using the app, you need to go to your Google Play Store. You need to search for TikTok, and then you need to see that if your TikTok is updated or not. Then if it's not updated, update it, and you will find the icon of the clickable link right here. Otherwise what you're going to do is you have to close this. You have to open go onto your profile, go on feedback and help, open the feedback and help, and here you have an option to report a problem if there is a problem by clicking on this option. Open that, and here now you can enter your feedback. In the feedback you can say that my clickable link option is not visible. I'm just going to write it. Okay, so have that written. What you're going to do is you have to ask the TikTok to make it available for you. You can upload the supporting media if you have taken a screenshot. Otherwise, you can just submit that, and you will find an answer to this problem of yours via an email or in the help center, and you'll be addressed why you haven't received the clickable link option or feature yet, and you will get the feature once the problem is resolved. So this was it for today's video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. Please give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to Softwares Made Easy. Thank you.